At our home, we have a tradition of making roti churma on the first day of Navratri. This time, I gave it a twist with this almond rose roti churma that comes together just in 15 minutes. We will start by mixing together whole wheat flour, almond flour, salt, ghee and some fresh beetroot juice. To get the beautiful red color, use your hand to work this together until well combined. Now slowly we'll start adding a saffron milk and use your hands to knead this into a medium firm dough. Cover and rest for 5 minutes. We will divide the dough into 3 equal parts and gently roll them into half-inch thick rotis. Transfer this to a hot tawa. Cook on low heat, making sure to press them down with the cloth to ensure they cook through since we are keeping them on a thicker side. Now drizzle some ghee and cook them till golden brown. Now we will crush the rotis using our hands for that classic churma texture. To this we will add in jaggery for the sweetness, rose water, coconut for the flavor and some ghee. Give this all a gentle mix and add in your cardamom powder and garnish it with some pistachios and melon seeds for a lovely crunch. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe. Wishing everyone a very happy Navratri and stay tuned for more fasting recipe this week.